Hello everyone, this is Charles, coming to you with my week 7 summary. Now this week was a lot of work, but it's close to the end, and it's something that I'm going to be cherishing since this is the last week. So, alright, but this week we started with a Digital Nation video. Now this video was quite long, but it was made easy because it was split into several chapters, and it pointed out very great points within the video. And it talks about how technology and the digital era and everything age is messing with how we look at things in the perspective and how we use technology. And one interesting thing that I thought was really interesting was that through the use of technology, our brains work differently compared to when we read a book or searching something on Google. It works different parts of the brains, and it just shows how much less work that we have to show or do when it comes to using technology. And so, yeah, I found this really interesting but long. And then we went into replying to a disobedience discussion, and I was able to respond to 8 or 9 of them, I believe. And yeah, we had some great conversations going and just talking about this topic overall. And then we go into our neat resource, which is pretty cool. This is something that is being put at the U of A, and I felt that this is gonna be pretty cool because with this new Synoptic Survey Telescope, we're gonna be able to find out so many more things about the universe out there and stuff that we couldn't see before. And since it has a camera that basically has billions and billions of pixels, and you can see in multiple colors and such, we're gonna able to work with scientists and find out things for the future. All right, and then we had to sign up for our interview. I was able to sign up for, I believe, Wednesday at early 9 or 10. And so, yeah, I can't wait for that. Then we go into our cultural science um, thing that we had to write. So I visited the Biosphere 2, and this is on the north side of Tucson. So this was by far one of the best experience I've ever had. Even though I didn't get to explore everything, because I mean this place was huge by far. I was there for about 2 hours, maybe 2 hours and 30 minutes, maybe, and there's so many things that I was just, my mind was just shocked, and I never knew how interesting this building was. It was more of like a futuristic building that would show, what is being built and what is being looked at. And this is what Biosphere 2 does, is that they use, plants, and they use aquariums to find out and make new discoveries that will benefit us in the future. And so I thought that was really cool. I mean, the building is made of all glass. It was just by far huge. I didn't get to see the aquarium because it was under construction. I wrote that, I believe, inside my essay. And yeah, so it talked about the world. It talks about micro molecules and stuff like that. And it was just a lot of information, and I learned a lot by going into this. And then spiral dynamics. So I'm actually working on this. I'm not finished yet, but as you can see, we go into using the force, the sum of the forces, and discovering all this stuff, and it's pretty interesting so far. Um, yeah, and then uh, basically chapter 21, 24, I'm still working on as well. It's not due till the Thursday, the last day of class, but overall this week was really fun. Yeah, there was a little bit of calculations in spiral dynamics assignment, and that's about it. This is my week 7 summary. All right, thank you.